Na paa, tuhod. Hod.
Hot.
Tuhod, balikat,
Balikat.
ulo.
Ulo.
Go.
Renaissance.
Paa,
Paha.
tuhod,
Tukod.
tuhod,
Paha. Tuhod. Balikat.
ulo.
Ulo.
Paa,
Tulog.
tuhod,
Tuhod.
balikat,
Balikat.
ulo.
Ulo.
It's a brand new day. It's a brand new vlog. Guys, happy Friday today. So, good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Ciao everyone. And we are once again in the car because kailangan namin bumalik sa hospital, ha? Yeah. Hospital because yesterday hindi kami nakadiretso sa clinic kasi hindi nila they're not doing the blood testing for the babies there in the clinic. Kaya ngayon punta kami sa hospital where Dylan was born, na? Yeah. The same hospital we will do the testing. Na? Now it's too early. It's like 8 in the morning. Yeah. Oh, say something. Hi everyone, I'm in the car. I'm not happy because I don't like hospitals. Alright. Yeah, we don't have a choice but to go. Look there guys, it's frozen like snow. Yeah, it's frozen. It's 1 degree here, like yesterday. Yeah, it's not snow, but it's just the mist from the night was frozen. We're waiting. What number? 67. It's still 59 and we are 67 and the baby is crying like always. Mommy's just finished the blood testing. Need to bring. Huh? It's what?
Strongest.
Strongest. Come here on the other side. Like this. It's the strongest baby. Ooh. Strongest and the cutest baby.
And the bravest.
Yeah. Finally finish blood test. And then we go home because Nancy needs to bake something. Yeah. Look, still Let's go. Let's go. Very cold. It's very cold. Let's go. Yeah. Open. Ah. Okay. Finally, we are going home. Baby is sleeping. He is tired. The moment I put him in already. When we will have the result?
Come tomorrow already online, so tomorrow we'll send already to the other hospital.
Okay.
I need a secretary.
We need help. It's not. It's.
This hospital is going now.
A lot of hospitals. A lot of. Yeah, so we are going home. I need to drive a little bit fast because Nancy needs to
stop because I made something with the sourdough.
Yeah.
It's one of the first time I'm working with the sourdough. Then the sourdough doesn't wait. So I called my sister and I said, put everything outside the window because it's 5 degrees. So I said, okay, that's the right place because in the fridge it doesn't end.
So she have to do it because you know guys, when you're working with this kind of things, the timing is very important. It's either you go in the right timing or you waste the dough or etc. That's why I don't like baking. It's too complicated. No?
Patience.
Okay, it's time.
It's going by.
Huh?
It's going by.
Traffic. Oh mama me. I know. It's just the traffic lights. Okay, it's foggy. Don't see anything. You see it in the window outside, no? Look guys, how foggy today. See, cannot see. The phone, yes, you can see because the phone settings. It's but normal eye, no. Where is it? It's okay.
It's okay.
Show.
No, it's bad luck. It's bad
Ah.
luck. This is white chocolate.
White chocolate and.
I'm making white.
Anyway, they will see this not today, tomorrow.
Oh no. And only if it comes out good, because if it's not good, I will not share that.
So if you ever ask or wonder guys why we have martillo here, it's used for baking.
Not actually baking, but to break the nuts.
To break the nuts.
Yeah,
Because we have nuts here very hard.
and
You see how many we have?
this the first. It's almost broken, so nothing. This it's basically the
spring.
The spring is broken.
Not, everything's broken.
We go to the hard way.
Oh, chocolate fell down here.
That's why I cannot bake with here.
Hi. Good morning, Senor. Good morning, Senor. Huh? Good morning, Senor. Ooh. You are so cute as always if you are always smiling. Huh? Huwag na iyak, basta crying. Move this because it's hot inside the house. Say ciao na. Ciao, welcome to our vlogs.
Wait for me to talk.
Wait for me to talk, so I take over my parents' vlogs. Eh?
They have to on.
I still need to eat breakfast. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Dylan? Eh? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Anyway, we have milk. Eh? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Eh? Are you hungry? Ooh. What happened? Too foggy outside like yesterday. Huh?
The sun will come.
The sun will come. Don't lose hope.
Impossible.
Don't lose hope. Oh. Oh, you like standing, eh? Ooh. You like? You like? Huh? You like? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. You like? Oh. Oh. What's that noise? It's mommy. You will just watch TV here. That happened. We're watching TV, see? He likes to watch TV. He likes to watch TV. 4 months baby likes to watch TV. Mommy almost finished baking. Tapos magdododo na si Dylan. Naglalaro siya ng plastic. Gusto niya yung plastic eh. Very calm today, yeah? Very calm. Dylan? Tuh. Oh. I come? guys. UUD. Yo, go. Go. Yes, like that. Go. Go. That. Go. To sleep. Take a nap. Me also want to take a nap, and then after lunch I finished the video of the wedding.
I'm hungry.
Oh really? What do you want?
Because I ate breakfast this morning at was
7.
no, it was
6:30
6.
the morning. You want something? Sweets?
No, I want peanuts.
Peanuts?
Peanuts are good for the brain. That's why I'm addicted to peanut butter.
No.
Come on. It's study.
Sugar is good to the brain.
No, not that. Peanuts, it's good for the brain. Trust me, not this guy.
Not this guy. Rakidi.
Peanuts.
You eat like this? No, the elephant put in the...
If I speak of the weapon, what do you consider food?
They eat everything. You think they gonna remove the...
They put inside,
I think they eat
I've seen an
everything.
elephant in my life.
Because this you can eat also. It's like wood. It's not...
Why do you eat the wood?
Sure. Okay. Which one?
Skin.
The skin. Because we have this like nilagang peanuts, like you boil. And then when you open, it's
You boil everything?
it's very soft. You steam it, like actual steam, not boil.
All with that
Yeah.
wood?
Yeah, but you don't eat the wood.
When you eat the skin?
You can eat it.
Well, fine.
Finito. She just finished everything.
I feel like an elephant.
She's like,
I was like,
yeah, I'm removing the skin and giving it
it's a couple guys.
to her. One more?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. I will take a nap. I'm so sleepy.
We did a mess.
Come in? Oh, for me also.
No, I'm saying, my head is
Dizzy,
spinning.
yeah. Because you are up like that.
Where is this?
Go, change panolino. Change diaper,
First, we
mommy.
stop in the mirror to see this baby crying. We go greet the baby. Say hi to the baby.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Let's throw the baby. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Okay, we just finished our lunch. Hey, ciao, baby. Nasa bagong carrier na si baby, oh. Very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. I said yesterday to try natin to today, but outside it's a bit windy. Windy. Yes. Say something, baby. See? It's very comfortable with the chair. With the pockets. Everything. So you can see the world, you see? You can walk. With him, you can see everything. Wow, looks good this one, huh?
If it's 500 grams or 600, 750.
So today we will have our new washing machine. Washing machine because it was broken. The old one, so we have our new one. Very busy.
Yeah, what's this one?
He looks very busy. Sinisinok na naman ang baby. Give water. Give water. Kaya lang ayaw niya ng tubig. Hindi siya masyado nagtutubig eh. Cannot open. Yeah. Give water. 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 Look the face. Doesn't like water.
Up and down, whoop, doop, doop. A choopy, choopy, doop. A diggy, 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 diggy. Up and down, up and down.
Paa. You sing. Paa.
Parole, parole, da, da, da.
Na paa. Paa. Tuhod.
Pahat, tu,
Hod.
hot,
Tuhod. Balikat.
balikat,
Ulo.
ulo.
Go.
Then it's all
Paa.
Pahat,
Tuhod.
too cold.
Tuhod.
Pahat, tuhod, balikat,
Ulo.
ulo.
Paa.
Pahat, tulog,
Tuhod.
tuhod,
Balikat.
balikat,
Ulo.
ulo.
Take his hand. Paa.
Tulog.
Tuhod.
Baby, typical.
Tuhod.
Pahat, tuhod, balikat, tuhod.
Ulo.
Sige. I just learned the other one. What was the other one? What's the other one?
So, what do you want to say?
The other one that you always sing to baby.
Ako ay may lobo. Ako ay may lobo. Lumipad sa langit. You just learned the rhythm, but the words, no?
Una cosa alla volta, piano piano. This one I know the rhythm. Na 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 na
Paatod.
na na. È come Peppa Pig. Look, I forgot also that one. My God, my mind.
Okay. Time to rest. Pati patung. Uy. Wow, leg.
Massaging the baby.
That's why the legs is outside. So cute feet.
Sì, allora pranzo lo dice a qualcun altro, però va bene. A te anche. No. Arrivo.
Oh, bagay.
Subito?
What did you say?
Arrivo.
Huh? Baby sleeping. This is my merienda. Nancy prepared for me. Caramel with some cream. What cream is it?
This is the cream left over from last night. We don't agree. Me, avocado.
Avocado, my favorite fruit.
He doesn't like.
I don't like avocado. And editing. Yes. See, multitasking, all of us, three.
So
She just,
I'm here.
her levitation is there. Is still waiting a little bit more to grow. Then she will start baking. Right?
Correct. See, baby just woke up. I'm preparing the dinner and the washing machine has just arrived. So now Ian is... Ooh, it's blocked. Ian is went down to help my father to take the washing machine. And now we will show you. I'll try my best. Correct, baby? Burasa, sorry, burasa. Aiuto! Aiuto, mi è sotto! Come fai il suono del taxi? Babi, babi!
Ecco qua, the new washing machine of Dylan.
Wow!
Wow!
Vieni! Wow! Vieni! Vai! Occhio, occhio!
Say something.
It's a washing machine.
It's a-
with clothes inside.
Yeah.
And make them all clean. It's magic!
It's new! Finally, we can wash our clothes for 2 months.
Oh, devo mettere la gomma nel forno. Dove andiamo?
Dove vate? Dove andate? Dove andate? Eh? Dove vai? Dove vai tu? Bisa tua zia, eh? Very good, sir. Wow, very nice, sir. Oh no. Like, sir? Okay, sir. Oh, a suggestion because my sister did already. Wow. This is called Colombo.
Colombi.
Colombo.
Colomba.
Colombo.
The dove, you know.
Huh?
The dove.
Dove. Yeah, the big dove.
Because it's for Easter, actually. It's thing.
Easter bread.
What is Charlie?
It's not cooked yet, guys. It needs to be oven. It needs to be
Organized.
ovenized. Yeah. Okay, ovenized.
I like to invent words.
Ovenized. Dylan art. Ah. Okay.
This is the house when you're not organized, obviously. It's me, always. It's me.
Certo, devi bello.
Prendi quello là così butti tutti, dai, prendi questo.
Ma io no, tutti e due.
There were two washing machines.
Two washing machine is to install the new one. Okay, so
Thanks for watching. I'm going to take shower and see you tomorrow.
me too. See you tomorrow on our next video.
Good.